Welcome to your personal journey of relaxation and stress relief. In today's fast-paced world, stress can feel overwhelming, but there's a way to find balance, calm, and inner peace. Through the transformative power of yoga and meditation, we can reconnect with ourselves, release tension, and restore our sense of well-being. Whether you're new to yoga or a seasoned practitioner, today's session will guide you through simple yet powerful poses, breathing exercises, and a gentle meditation practice, all designed to relieve stress and help you feel centered. Let's begin with a simple yet effective yoga pose, Child's Pose, or Balasana. Start by kneeling on your mat, bringing your big toes together and your knees apart. Gently lower your torso, resting your forehead on the mat, and stretch your arms forward. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension you're holding in your body. Feel the grounding energy beneath you and let each breath guide you deeper into relaxation. Child's Pose is a wonderful way to release stress, stretch the back, and calm the nervous system. It helps to relax the mind and body, making it an ideal starting point when you need a moment of peace. Now, let's move into Downward Facing Dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. From Child's Pose, gently lift your hips towards the sky, creating a triangle shape with your body. Spread your fingers wide and press your palms firmly into the mat. Your feet should be hip-width apart and your head should hang loosely between your arms. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and the release in your spine. As you hold this pose, imagine any stress or anxiety melting away with each breath, replaced by a sense of calm. Now that we've opened up the body, let's focus on calming the mind with some simple breathing exercises. Alternate Nostril Breathing, or Nadi Shodhana, is a powerful practice to balance the energy in your body and reduce stress. Sit comfortably with your spine tall and shoulders relaxed. Using your right hand, place your thumb over your right nostril and gently close it off. Inhale deeply through your left nostril. Then close your left nostril with your ring finger and release your right nostril to exhale slowly. Let's do this together. Inhale through the right. Close the right nostril, exhale through the left. Repeat this cycle for a few rounds, focusing on the breath. With each inhale, you're filling your body with peace. With each exhale, you're releasing tension and negativity. Now let's finish our practice with a short guided meditation. Find a comfortable seated position, or lie down if that's easier for you. Close your eyes and gently bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply, and exhale slowly. With each breath, imagine yourself inhaling peace and exhaling stress. Picture a warm, golden light entering your body with every breath, filling you with calm and tranquility. As you exhale, imagine the stress and tension leaving your body, dissolving into the air. Let go of any worries, any fears. In this moment, all you have is peace. Take a few more moments here, breathing deeply, and allow yourself to feel completely at ease. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present, knowing that this peace is always within you, waiting for you to reconnect whenever you need it. Thank you for joining me in this session of yoga, breathing, and meditation. Remember, these practices are tools you can use at any time to reduce stress and restore your balance. Take a deep breath and step forward into your day with a sense of calm and clarity. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and join me for more sessions designed to bring peace and balance to your life. Until next time, take care of yourself